Hello Mac users. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Android Studio on Mac. After that, we will create a simple Hello World app and run it on the Android emulator without any hassle. So let's get started. First of all, before installing Android Studio, you need to have Java installed on your Mac operating system. If you don't have Java installed, you can find the link in the description below, and after installing Java, come back to this video. First, we need to click on the search button and it will open up the Spotlight search. On the Spotlight search, write Google Chrome and then press enter. You can use any browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome. On the search bar, write Install Android Studio and then press enter. After that, just click on the first link named Install Android Studio, the official Android IDE, or you can find the link in the description below. Once it's opened up, you will find this green button named Download Android Studio. It will open up the terms and conditions. You can read them, and if you agree with it, just check this checkbox and then click on Download Android Studio for Mac. It will start downloading the Android Studio installer for us. It is currently about 878 MB, so it might take some time depending upon your internet speed. Once it's downloaded, click on the downloaded file and it will start verifying some things. And then you will see this prompt. Just drag and drop the Android Studio to Applications folder. It will start copying Android Studio to Applications folder. Press Command plus space and it will open up the Spotlight search. On the Spotlight search, write Android Studio and then press enter. Because you are opening up the Android Studio for the first time, it will verify Android Studio, and after verifying, you will see a prompt saying Android Studio is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it up? Just click on open and now follow me in the installation process. It's all done now. Let's create a simple Hello World app using the Android Studio we just installed. Let's create a new project by clicking on Create New Project. Now let's choose the project template. We will choose Empty Activity and click Next. You will be asked to write the name of the project. Let's call it My First Project. You will see this is your package name, the location the project is saved at, and the language. Let's just choose Java for now, and minimum SDK is Android 4.1. Jelly Bean. Now click on Finish and it will start creating files, updating indices and other things. Once it's finished, we need to click on this top green hammer icon to build the project. We always need to build the project before opening it in the emulator. Like a program compiles before running? If there were no errors, build will be successful. As you can see, it's successful. Now click on this green button and it will open up the Android emulator. And after opening it up, it will automatically open the app we just created. If you have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section below. I would love to help you. Thanks for watching. Press the like button and comment for any specific MacBook related video. And subscribe to Mac Society